almost at a week. That's fire. So have some things being delivered. It's like some overlays for the reflector, back reflector, and the tail lights. Smoked out look. I'm rocking with that. But right now, we about to get CarPlay. I love the smell of 91. I'm feeling like them Honda boys. Laptop in the V. It's low-key crazy. It's fire though. It's fire though. We about to get this CarPlay. I'll be back after it's ready. Boom. That's what we got. Let's lock in though. Let's see what we got. All right. So this is overlays. Think about like wrapping a car, right? Doing the reflectors and the tail lights. So what this is, as you can see, it is smoked out reflectors, back reflectors on my trunk, on my rear. Oh, look black, or am I tripping? 2 are supposed to be blackout and 1's supposed to be smoked. I don't know, man. They kind of all look black to me, but I mean, hey, we're gonna throw these on. I just watched the V too. Let's go ahead and head out there, bro. Alrighty, so this is for those. And these are for right here. And the final piece is for right there. Let's put them on. Don't mind the surface rust. It looks way better than how stock did, I'll tell you that. Oh yeah, these look fire though. I know people ain't really gonna pay attention to these, but these is clean. You still see a little bit, but that's... So here's the smoke tail lights. You guys can't really tell. Right here. Whoa! So I just took a shower after washing the whip, and we about to go see if this CarPlay works. Good CarPlay, man. I need to get the full screen though, but hey, we got CarPlay. I'm gonna activate full screen right now. Watch this. CarPlay for the free. Alright, we in Wendy's with it. CarPlay is fire. I was finna pay like $300 for that CarPlay too. Alright, so we leaving mid-ass Wendy's. That shit was ass, if I'm being 1K. I really just ate it because I was hungry as fuck. I'm grateful that I could drive this car to Wendy's and purchase a meal, so. Yes, sir, ski. Yeah, this joint is so tough. But we at the gas station. You know why we're here. For that right there. Let's get it. Pumping 91 first. We about to get that E up in there now. It's crazy how expensive gas is. I remember when gas was almost like $6. It was wild. Now we getting the E85, man.